Well, that is about it. It's a good smell, good balm. The question is this beard balm actually going to work for me? Well, we're going to be answering that question today. Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I'm the apprentice, and today we're going to be answering the question, does beard balm actually work?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
So you've been trying to find a product to help you style your beard. Well, look no further. We've got Balm. If you have never used Balm before and you're concerned and you're asking yourself, does it actually work? Well, we're going to be talking about that today. So first off, we need to talk about what beard balm is. We need to talk about the ingredients. Now, on all of our tins of beard balm, we do have a sticker on the back that says the ingredients. We've got shea butter, beeswax, and an assortment of oils and fragrances. Beard balm isn't just used when it comes to styling your beard. Although that is a main thing that a lot of adventurers use it for, it's also important to recognize it for the nourishment that it does give your facial hair, as well as protection. So, does beard balm work? Yes, it absolutely does. Now, that also depends on what you're hoping for it to work on. If it's going to help your skin underneath, well, you might have better luck with oil. But if you are looking for styling, if you're looking for a little bit of protection from the environment that you're in, then beard balm absolutely will work. One of the main benefits of beard balm is to stylize and have a nice firm hold onto your beard. This is because of the beeswax property that we have in the product. You can use this to stylize it. You can use it to hold it in. I have occasionally used it to twist my mustache a little bit to get it out of my mouth, and it stays out of my mouth for the most part throughout the day. Beard balm can help a little bit to the dryness that your skin might be experiencing. So go ahead, work it into the beard and all the way down to the skin. Now, I typically recommend oil when you are trying to eliminate itchiness and dryness of the skin, but beard balm absolutely can help assist that process. And lastly, it is important for you all to understand that beard balm is not a one-size-fits-all kind of product. Maybe your beard is very thick and it doesn't need to have that additional hold. Maybe you're not necessarily looking for hold, or you don't need the moisturization that it can provide. Every beard is different. It has its own story, and so you need to experiment a little bit with the various products. Also, it's very important to understand to use it in moderation. Just like all of these products, a little bit can go a long way. So if you are dousing up your hand all over with beard balm, running it through every part of your face, and you might get a little gunked up. You might clog up your pores, and that can be a problem, especially since sometimes beard balm can get a little sticky. So, to summarize, does beard balm actually work? Of course it does, because it can help you with stylizing your beard, hydrating and moisturizing your skin, and gives a little bit of good protection from the natural environment. If you feel as though that you have a different experience, please comment down below. Tell us your experience with beard balm, and we want to know to see how we can help improve your experience. If you liked the video, go ahead and leave a comment and a like, and if you haven't, subscribe to our channel so then you can just know when we're going to post. Adventurers, thank you so much for all that you do for us. So to thank you back, if you look in the description, you can find a link to a discount code for 25% off your next purchase. As we always say, may your beards be forever blessed, and fortune and treasure forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.